So to open the Acer all-in-one, on the bottom there should be 3 screws. Once you take out the 3 screws, there's no more screws. So I read somewhere where it told me to at least start from the top and just try to pry in like a screwdriver. I just use something like a flathead, and just try to get it in there. First lift it up a little bit, kind of where the speakers are, wherever the vent, I guess that's the vent, yeah. And then slowly it's gonna snap off one by one, so you go around, and once you get the whole thing snapped off, it'll just come off like that. And I guess this is where everything is. So all I did was install an SSD, so it's running a little faster. So this is the hard drive. All you do is take out 2 screws right here on the sides, one there, and it slides out. And then the hard drive has some screws on the sides, 2 on each side. And then that's pretty straightforward. Then you slide it back in. I haven't upgraded the RAM yet. I know it can go to 8 gigs, and for that I'll probably just have to take out this screw. There's a couple screws on the side here, and I think this is the battery, so there'll be some more screws underneath. I think over there you can see that. So I'll probably make another video for the RAM. Yeah, that's the Acer Z3-600.